Looking for a simple and secure way to manage all your passwords in one place? Introducing the Password Manager PHP script, a powerful, CodeIgniter-based solution designed to securely store and organize multiple service usernames and passwords with ease. Built using the robust PHP framework CodeIgniter and backed by a reliable MySQL database, this script offers a smooth and secure experience for both individuals and organizations. It comes with dual access roles, admin and user. The admin panel allows full control over the system, including managing the dashboard, admins, users, categories, and system settings. Users can easily register, log in, and manage their own password records. They can also import passwords directly from Excel or CSV files, and export their data whenever needed for backup or portability. With its clean and user-friendly interface, managing sensitive information becomes fast, simple, and efficient. Key features include secure authentication, categorized password storage, easy import and export options, and full source code flexibility for customization. Whether you're an individual, a development team, or a business organization, the Password Manager PHP script is the perfect solution to securely manage your credentials in one centralized system. Key features include admin and user login system, powerful dashboard, manage passwords easily, new user registration, user management, category management, system settings, import and export passwords via Excel or CSV. Take control of your passwords today with the Password Manager PHP script, secure, simple, and built for flexibility.